Well, good morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the session. So, again, a warm welcome to every one of you for day two demo session on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Let me start the session. Already we waited for a couple of minutes. So, the other people will join parallelly in the class. So, as I told you, please make yourself available by sharp 7 o'clock team so that we can conclude the session also on time every day. Okay. So in yesterday's session, yesterday we had a demo on this particular course or the technology. In yesterday's demo session, what we have seen, let me have a quick walkthrough of them and then we will continue with our today's topic team, right? In yesterday's session, first of all, I introduced to you what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application is about, right? The basic intro about the application we have seen team. Then I introduced to you about myself, who I am, what experience I have in this particular domain. And then I also introduced to you about our Triotech software trainings, when we started it and how many trainings we completed with respective to these technologies, these all things, and our corporate training partners, that all we have mentioned team. And then I also shown you our community details in the YouTube, that which we achieved recently the milestone. Then we went through the agenda for the session, where we have first seen for whom this technology is suitable for, who can learn this technology, or any prerequisites in order to learn this technology we should have or not. These things we discussed initially. And then I explained you the concept of ERP in the system. What is ERP? Why any company in the market will use ERP products, and particularly what is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application is about. Why we have this technology in the market, for what purpose companies will be using this technology in their day-to-day life, that we have seen yesterday. And then I explained you the Fusion application evolution path. I mean to say, when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, prior to this, what are the technologies available in the market, how Oracle acquired them, and how Oracle launched these Fusion applications into the market, and also why suddenly the demand for the Fusion application increased in the market. These all background history of the Fusion applications we discussed here team. And also I introduced it to you, like Fusion HCM, we also have other products like financials, supply chain, CRM, procurement, PPM, different other products under Oracle Fusion that Oracle providing in the market. That also we have seen team. And then I introduced it to you the types of companies involved in any application usage, who is service provider, who is client or the customer company, who is consulting company. Once we learn this course, in what sort of companies that we will be recruited, what we will be doing, that we have seen here team. Okay. And then I also introduced to you why anyone should learn Oracle HCM Cloud applications in 2026. I told you, from the last 3 years, as per the Gartner Quadrant Research Report, Oracle Fusion applications is the top ERP across the world compared to Microsoft Dynamics, SAP, or any other application in the market for that matter, I told you. And then we spoke about team, the salary packages, an average fresher, how much companies offering, experienced, how much companies offering. Okay. And also we discussed our career growth. Now, initially at the entry level where you will be starting your career, how your career progression with your experience that you can able to climb in this technology, that we have seen team. And then we also discussed about the role of AI impact in this particular technology team. So any AI impact, losing the jobs in this respective domain or not, we have discussed. And then I explained you the Fusion environment releases as well. Like in 2011, when Oracle introduced the application, what is the version that Oracle came up? Since then, how it got evolved? What is the latest version? And every year I told you, Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy team. Every three months, Oracle will upgrade their application. I told you. During that time, what is the versioning sequence that Oracle will follow? That all we discussed yesterday, team. And then the most important thing, I explained you what are the modules we have in this particular technology, what comes under functional, what comes under technical. Okay. And as part of this training program, what curriculum that I am going to cover, and also which particular role you have to target as per the market today. Techno functional, I told you team. These all things we discussed. And finally, I have walked through some of the placement success stories of the students in Triotech, and also I have explained you the course highlights team. Every day, what will be the timings and how many days duration, how the portal access, server access, from the point of placements, how our placement team will assist you with all these services, starting from resume preparation, providing you the interview question and answers, mock interviews. I have also introduced to you all the interview repositories team, interview question and answers repositories, assignments, then the materials folder that what we are going to share with you. These all things I have shown you, and we concluded the discussion yesterday team. Okay. Now today, what we can talk about. See, there are two topics that are pending in the yesterday's agenda. Because of the timing issue, I have concluded the session. By the time already we crossed 2 hours yesterday. So I don't want to keep on waiting more than that. So I concluded the discussion. But we have two more things to understand, team, before getting into the core syllabus, core topics. We have to know about these two things: Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle certification process. Because many of you having a doubt here. In fact, many people asking me also, Kumar, do we need certification from Oracle in order to get a job in this domain? What is the certification process? What is the cost that incurred to us? These kind of questions people having team. So let us understand Oracle certification process, and before that Oracle knowledge repository. After these two, I will get into the Fusion application and I will introduce to you Oracle Fusion Cloud applications practically in today's session team. So first of all, the very first topic for today to start, Oracle Knowledge Repository. What do you mean by that? See, as I told you yesterday, for this training program, we are going to provide you all the customized materials for every module team. As I shown you with the screenshots and navigations, all the module materials in a easiest way, in a friendly, understanding way. We prepared. This repository you have to mainly focus on for your practicing, preparation, and all thing. But on top of this, if you want to access Oracle standard materials with respective to this technology team, where you have to go to the internet and where you can find them, because it's an open source. Oracle delivering their applications in an open platform only. You no need to have any registrations in Oracle University or Oracle websites, nothing. So where we can go in order to access Oracle standard documents for every module in the system? Just to go to the internet and type as docs.oracle.com team. This is the URL. Just I'm giving it in the chat button here. If anyone want, right away explore it team. docs.oracle.com. Just I pinged it in the chat. You have to go to the internet in your Google, type this URL docs.oracle.com. You will land upon Oracle's knowledge repository. Okay. And here you can see team all the products of Oracle. So cloud infrastructure, generative AI, autonomous database, MySQL HeatWave, Java, okay, then Oracle database, Apex. These all are Oracle standard technologies or applications team. Here, come to cloud applications. Here we have Fusion Application Suite. Our technology is what? Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications. So come to Fusion Application Suite. Again, you have different products in that: financials, supply chain, human resource. I told you yesterday, we have different products under Fusion. Huh? We have different products under Fusion. They all are coming up, team. So come to docs.oracle.com, Fusion application, and go to human resources. Our technology is human resources team, human capital management. Go to that. Then you will land upon this particular screen. Okay. So here you come to all books on the left hand side. Click on it. Click on it. Then you will be landing upon this team, all books. Here you can filter. You want implementation guides for all the modules to implement, or once you configure the system, the end user guides, how to use the system, that manuals you want, admin guides you want, what? I can filter team. I'm selecting implementation. So here all the modules of HCM implementation guides will get team. See, implementing absence management, implementing journeys, benefits, compensation, global HR, global payroll, help desk for payroll, country-wise legislation documents team. We have different modules in the system. Global HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. For all the modules, we have the documents availability. So if you click on that PDF symbol, you will land upon the document of that. See, it's a 368 page document for implementing the global human resource. So all the explanation, theoretically, each topic, what configurations we have in the system, how to implement this particular module, everything. It's a standard Oracle delivered document. It's a downloadable thing, team. You can download also. So here you have to come and you can access your standard materials. That is for global HR. You want to implement compensation module, then click on it. Benefits module, click on it. Absence management module, click on it. Like that, all the modules in the HCM you can able to check out here, team. Okay. Then if you come to cloud readiness, what is this? Yesterday I was telling you one important thing everyone should make it as a practice in your lifetime. What is that? I told you yesterday,
Release.
Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Okay. Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every 3 months, Oracle will provide upgrade to their application. I told you yesterday, team. And every time when Oracle upgrading their application, they will come up with some new enhancements in the system, some new functionalities Oracle is going to bring in the system. How we will know in each upgrade what new functionalities Oracle bringing? I told you Oracle will be releasing the release notes document in each quarter, in each module, what new functionalities they are bringing in. Oracle will share this document in the open world. So that you have to find out from here. So coming to the docs.oracle.com, in the all books area, you have all your Oracle materials for each module team. Then if you go to cloud readiness here, if you click on cloud readiness team, you will land upon this particular page. All the products of Fusion you can see. Mine is human capital management selected by default team. So if you select a release filter, latest release you want, prior releases you want, you can filter team. Now if you scroll down, you can see. I told you right yesterday, currently we are in 25D, but we entered January month, first quarter in this year. In next 15 days, our application will upgrade to 26A, I told you. Now the documents are readily available. In the upcoming 26A release, in each module, what's new? See, benefits, what's new? Compensation, what's new? Help desk, what's new? Global HR module, human resource, what's new? Then we have many things team, recruiting module, talent module, absence management module, time and labor module, payroll module. For everything, Oracle released already the documents for the upcoming release. In next 10-15 days, our application is going to upgrade to 26A. Okay. Then what new features Oracle bringing, we can explore here, team. So if I go to human resource, what's new 26A? Okay. In global HR module, in this upcoming release, what new functionalities Oracle bringing? Click on this arrow here, then expand this global human resource, and these are the things, team. Okay. So what is that feature is about? Okay. And with screenshot in the front end, what is that functionality, where it is impacting team. So every functionality explanation, and in the front end highlighting where that new feature is coming team. Like that, every new thing that coming in the system, you can able to explore team. So you have a document of records concept in core HR module. We have AI assistants coming in that team. So what is that AI assistance? How the impact will be? With screenshot and navigation of that system will give us clear information. So these are some of the new enhancements or the functionalities Oracle bringing in the core HR module. Then if you go back team, next, if you want in compensation module, or if you want in absence management module, go to absence management, what's new? Huh? Then if you come to the left side, you can expand this absence management, expand it, and these are the new functionalities in absence management module Oracle bringing in. Select that. So what is that feature is about team? Okay. Select that functionality. So what is that feature? So in the front end, any what to say screenshots or navigations you have for that, it will come team. For every module, Oracle will give us the release document prior to that release team. So in 26A, what we can see here. If you filter with prior updates, prior to 26A, what we have 25D, currently the release we are in, then 25C, 25B, all that documents you can check out, team. So this is very, very important activity. Every one of us have to make it as a habit in our lifetime. Very important thing. Once you join the organization, okay, every student of mine, I suggest for every batch, as I mentioned already, when you are working in any technology in the real time, if application is evolving, if application is growing, advancing, you should also upgrade yourself. Okay. So every 3 months, once you go to docs.oracle.com, go to the release notes, spend 15-20 minutes of time and try to understand in this new upgrade, in each module, what functionalities Oracle bringing in the system. Just 15-20 minutes you spend, team, so that you will be up to date with the system. Now you feel that many functionalities are there. How we can remember? Kumar is telling 15 minutes. Yeah. Now you don't know anything. But once you become expert in this technology after 3 months of training, you will be able to easily understand on which screen what functionality Oracle newly given in the system, like that easily you can observe it. So this activity, every one of you take it as a practice. Every 3 months once, go to that documents, explore it, what new functionalities Oracle brings in the system, like that. Okay. So this is the navigation in the system we have to go. Now, no need to log in anything, team. Now if you come here, team, you can, it's an open source. Already I have given that link in the chat button. You can click on it and if you can check out, you can check out. No need to log in, no need to register anything. It's an open platform, open learning platform. Anyone can access Oracle documents and also the release notes for every release that Oracle bringing in team. So this is about Oracle knowledge repository. So where you can access and all. But coming to the material part, I suggest you make use of the material which I am giving to you, because Oracle implementation guides are very hefty, very lengthy. You might not be able to understand things. Follow my sessions, follow the material what I am giving to you for that module, sufficient. If you want to refer on top of this any particular concept in the Oracle standard material, then you make use of them. Or else, whatever the drive folder I'm going to share with you, for every module, whatever the PDF material I'm going to share with you, you focus only on that. Okay, right. Oracle knowledge repository, where to access in the internet and all, we understood, team. Next, let us talk about Oracle certification process. Here, some of you people asking me about this certification process. So, in Oracle Fusion applications, how the certification process will work, we'll understand, team. Okay, Oracle certification process. See, for entire application, this is our course or the application or a technology, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. For entire technology, Oracle is not offering a certification team. Within this technology, we have multiple modules in the system. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent. Oracle conducting the certification exam module wise. So here also few of you have a doubt. What is that? Kumar, for entire technology, do we have a certification exam Oracle conducting? No. Module wise, core HR, if you take team, there is an exam for this module. Absence module, we have a certification. Payroll module. So module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam, team. So if you take core HR, the examination name will be something like this: Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud uh, Implementation Specialist. Okay, specialist. Then there will be examination code IZO1046. Okay, /24. Then Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Then further there will be a code IZO1054 something. So the thing is, there is no global certification for entire course. Module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam. So, what is the process to apply for certification? What is the cost incurred for this? How the examination pattern will be there in this program team? See, for the certification purpose, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. Many of us might be knowing about this company. Okay, if you go to the web internet and search with the View Pearson team, the very first result that you will see will be that only. See, pearsonview.com. So this is an examination partner Oracle partnered with. Means on behalf of Oracle, this company will be conducting the certification exams for Oracle. So if you want to write the exam, you have to go to pearsonview.com. First create your CertiView account in this. Then go to the exam. You can search with your examination name or code, schedule your exam, and you can write the exam. Prior to COVID, completely this was offline. This View Pearson test centers are available across the world in all major cities. In Hyderabad, in Vijayawada, in Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, everywhere we have across the world. We used to go there, pay the fee, sit there, we used to write the exam. But post COVID, examination also moved to online. Both offline and online available now. You can go to this website, book the exam, pay the fee, schedule the date, sit in your home, open the webcam, you will be video monitored and you can write the exam team. So either view Pearson or directly go to Oracle University website, education.oracle.com team. You can even go to this also for scheduling your exam. Okay, education.oracle.com team. So this is also another place directly you can go. Go to certification here. Then you can select which certification you want to write. You can schedule your exam here and you can apply directly from here also. So either pearsonview.com or education.oraclecloud.com team. These are the two places you can go and you can book your exam for this technology. Now, what is the cost? What is the cost incurred? Shashidara, no audio from your side. Am I audible to everyone, team, or only Shashi
Yes,
is
you
facing
are.
the issue?
Yes, it's audible.
Yes, you are.
Audible. Shashi once tried to check your microphone connection, or if you're using any earphones or something, try to disconnect and log in again. Right. So these are the two places that we generally go for applying or booking the certification exam team. Now, what is the cost that Oracle charging? See, for every module, Oracle charging around 23,000 Indian currency plus applicable taxes. For each module, the fees and the examination pattern is MCQs with with live scenarios. Means what team? Till 2023, we used to have only MCQs team. For example, if you book an exam for core HR module certification, somewhere around 90 to 100 questions we used to get in the paper. All are MCQs, multiple choice questions. Our MSET exam, AIEEE exam, how we used to have question ABCD, question ABCD, MCQ stream. So prior to 2023, the entire examination paper used to be in MCQ format only. But in COVID, many of the smart people did malpractices and they cheated Oracle examination pattern. So what Oracle did from 23 onwards, Oracle made their examination pattern more rigid. Along with MCQs, they introduced live scenarios in the exam. When you're writing an exam, 70% MCQ questions will come. 30% live scenarios they are giving. A business requirement they are giving over there, giving the test environment, and you have to configure that in the system to pass the exam directly. Practicality, they introduce it in the system team. So now the examination pattern is like this, and the cost is 23,000 plus taxes Oracle charging for each module. Now the biggest question is, really certification mandatory to do? Absolutely no. A big no. Okay. This is not at all mandatory for you people to do at this moment. Yes. The best thing is, unlike SAP or Workday or other ERP application, currently in the market, companies not recruiting the candidate based upon your certification stream. Definitely, certification is not a mandatory criteria. You don't need to spend any money today for examination and all. When you can do is, once after you join the organization, some of the clients, not every client, sometimes clients will be very particular. They will tell that only we want certified resources to be in our project. Only if the resource is certified, then only please give us that resource for our project. Like that, they will ask our management. During that time, our company will insist, your manager will insist you to do the certification client asking. So you can plan your certification during that time. So during that time, your company will bear the cost on behalf of you. Many IT companies in the market, for their employee upskillment and all, they will only bear the cost of these exams and all team. So you no need to spend your money to book the exam and write it, because this is only one attempt available exam. If you book the exam, you paid the fee, you failed the exam, that's all, non-refundable. So at least 70% you should get to pass in the exam team. Negative marking also there. So if you fail the exam, you will not get the amount back. No multiple attempts you have team. So generally at this moment, whenever you're learning the program and applying the jobs in the Naukri LinkedIn, certification will not play a major or a vital role here. Once after you join the organization, depending upon the situational requirement there, if the client asking for that, then you can get your examination booked by your company and you can write the module certification team. So generally, the validity for certification is 18 months. Every year, Oracle will change the paper. Last year was 2024 paper, 2025 paper, sorry. Now in 2026, we will get 2026 latest paper. Few questions will be changed in each exam team. So 18 months validity Oracle giving for their certification. For example, if you do the certification today on 6th January, from today 18 months it will be valid team. But in market, no one will care this measurement. If you are certified or not, only they will look whether you did 6 months back or 1 year back. Generally, they won't focus. But as per Oracle protocol, 18 months is the validity for their certification. After that, new certification you need to do with the latest upgrade releases team. So this is the entire flow of Oracle certification, what is the cost incurred, and the examination pattern that generally have in the marketing. For this, anyone want to do a certification, we do assist with the dumps available team. Dumps means for each module, whatever the exam that you are going to write, the examination question and answers will be available with us for every module team. Maximum 85% of the questions what we are going to give, same questions will come in the exam team. 15% of the questions will be differed. You have to sensibly answer with the knowledge that what you are gaining from this training. But this is something, keep it aside. No need to worry about certification. It's not required. That is not going to decide your interview or interview performance. Ultimately, what is your performance in the interview will decide whether you will clear that interview or not. You are keeping in the Naukri, you are a certified resource. In the interview, you are not performing well. What is the use? Who will recruit you? Right? So this is not a mandatory criteria for anyone. But people from US, UK, Middle East, whoever in the call, in their respective employment things. I mean, in these countries, generally people are more fascinated towards the certification authenticity. So you might think about certifications if required. But in India, no HR will look at your certification in the recruitment activities team. So this one you keep aside. But as a knowledge, you should know I'm covering this topic for everyone team, right? And a detailed video step by step, how to go to view Pearson, how to create the account, how to apply the exam, how to pay the fee. A detailed video in our YouTube channel I uploaded last month. So if anyone want to apply it in future, you can refer that video in our YouTube channel, detailing the certification process, how to go step by step, paying the fee. I explained in that. You can refer that team, right? So this is about Oracle Knowledge Repository and certification process. Now let us get into the real world application. So how the Fusion applications look and feel will be. What are the basic home screen features in the Fusion system we have? Let us talk about them, team. 1 second. Okay. See, I told you. So what is our technology? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Correct. This is our course. I told you Oracle Fusion Cloud applications are completely on a cloud-based technology team. Correct. So when any company buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered team, in which format application will be delivered. For example, you take like this. Okay. Uh, Let us take Tata Group team. We are very familiar with our Tata Group in India, right? Let us take an example of Tata Group. Okay. Every one of us know. Let me take that as an example. So let's say today Tata Group purchased Fusion applications in order to use in their day-to-day activities team. Okay. So what Oracle Tata Group did? So here Tata Group is the client or the customer company. Okay, yesterday I told you, right, who is client or customer. Now Tata bought the product from Oracle India Private Limited. So our Fusion applications are owned by Oracle Corporation, correct? Oracle. So Oracle India Private Limited is the vendor. Okay. This is the vendor or the owner team. Now, Tata want to purchase Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications in order to use in their day-to-day HR activities in their company. Now, when Tata Group purchased the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered, in which format application will be delivered, it's in a cloud-based technology. Cloud-based technology means a software that is hosted over the internet. How the application will deliver, just in the form of the URL. So this is the Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. Just in the form of URL, the user ID and password. User ID and password team. That's all. When a company, any company, buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered just in the form of URL team, just in the form of URL. So if you take this URL, okay, and if you already I signed in team by default, let me sign out, okay. Just if you take that URL, open your Google Chrome, Firefox, Explore, any search engine, just copy paste that team. See the URL, enter, enter. Now it prompt me to a login screen, Oracle Cloud account sign in, and I have to input my username and password. If I input my username and password already in my laptop, I have my username and password auto saved. By default, they are coming. That's okay. So just when I pass this URL, it prompt me for a sign in page. Once I give username and password, and if I click on sign in, my page is loading here. See now, I'll be able to enter into the Fusion application team. Welcome page we landed upon. Click on home button. So you can see the welcome screen. So this is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications look and feel team. Now the main point you have to observe is, did we install this software in my laptop and did I run any program to access that? No, just in the form of a web link, a URL, I got the application team. Cloud-based technology means that one only. A software that is hosted over the internet. Nothing to be maintained in our laptop. A basic laptop with good internet connection is sufficient to work on the Fusion applications team. So this is how the Fusion application will be delivered in the real world for any client. So a URL with user ID and password we will be getting thing, right? Cloud-based technology means that one. So you don't need to install any application in your laptop or desktop. You don't need to run any program or any software in the laptop to access the application team. Just copy paste that URL, give the user account ID and password. Like simply how we logging our Gmail account. You'll go to Google, type gmail.com, user ID password, you will access your email. How you will access your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn? How? Going to the Google, searching linkedin.com, username, password, you will log in that application. Same way, Fusion applications also, right? Now, before getting into the main home screen functionality, what are all these things, these all icons are what and all, let me introduce to you some of the jargons or the terminologies you have to use in the real world. Means whenever you're working in the real time projects, whenever once you complete the training, you got a placement, you got into some company and you are working for a project in the real time, whenever you are in the company, what are the names that we generally refer to call the Fusion applications team? We should not call it as a URL. URL is a very layman word. We should not use it professionally in the real-time companies when we are working team. So what we can refer the Fusion applications let us talk about the terminologies in the real time, because I know many of you will be in a process of updating your experiences, manipulating your experiences, and you are going to showcase that you are already working in HCM Cloud and you are shifting some sort of experience manipulations you're going to do. So when you are in the real-time projects, you should also know some real-time syntaxes or terminologies to use in your day-to-day life team. So we can refer Fusion applications as URL, that is our regular layman terminology, or you can call it as instance, server, environment, okay, environment, okay, pod, tenant, sandbox. You can call or refer Fusion applications with these terminologies in the real time. So you're in the project team. You want to get the application details of a client. So you are just discussing with your colleague in the project. Hey, can you please give me the client instance to me? Never use a word, can you give me the client URL? No. Can you give me the client instance? Can you please give me the server of the client? Can you please give me the environment access of the client? Can you please give me the pod of the client? Can you please give me the tenant of the client? Can you please give me the sandbox of the client? So these are the official names that we can call or refer Fusion applications in the real world, in the real-time companies team. Instance, server, environment, pod. Pod means platform on demand. Then tenant, sandbox. Even yesterday, when I was walking through the course features and all, I told you 5 months of Oracle server access. I told. What is server access? The instance I'm talking about, team. Server access means instance. So these are the names we can call. Pod means platform on demand. The abbreviation is that, team. So these are the names you can generally refer when you're speaking between your team members in the real-time projects. Now, one more important observation everyone should have here is, see, whenever Oracle selling the product in the market, for different customers, Oracle will sell team, whoever want their product. Customer to customer, okay, customer to customer. In the URL, sorry, I'm using also the word URL, sorry, in the instance, okay, we have this 4 character pod number team. This is, see, FA HTTP FA slash ESLL, right, team? We call that as pod number, POD number, team. Kumar, that is in character formats. You are talking it as a number. Yes, we'll call it as pod number. Platform on demand number, team. So customer to customer, that 4 character pod number will be unique in the real time. Because, team, why I'm telling is, in the projects whenever you're working, sometimes you might be required to work for multiple clients simultaneously. That is common in the IT world. Okay, particularly support projects, if you are working 2 3 projects, you will work simultaneously, but not by alone. As a team of resources, you will work for couple of projects. Let's say currently you are working for 3 clients parallelly team. We have client A, okay, client B, and client C. Let's assume you are in the real-time company, you're working in some IT company. So you're working for 3 projects team. 3 clients are there. How you will differentiate which client instance is what team? Every customer in their URL, this 4 character uniqueness you will observe, team. So how we have this, okay, FA slash ESLL we have. Then for other client team in their instance, the numbering will be something you might have. So HDSF I'm giving. Then for other client, it will be some other 4-character code it will be. Okay, some code I am giving. So customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product to make that URL or the instance unique. So these 4 characters code number, pod number will be unique team. Okay. So even whenever I try to log in into the instance, on the main login pop-up screen, I got this instance pod details here. See, so when I trying to log in, is the main home screen came. The identity domain, what it came, see here, ESLL. That is what the pod number for that URL team. So this is a very, very important basic knowledge everyone should have before starting the actual topics team. So client to client in the real time, in the application, the uniqueness will be that 4 characters pod number team. Then currently whatever the environments that we use in our training, they are demo instances, demo servers team. For the training activities and all, Oracle will provide them. But in real time, in the client applications, uh, you won't find here like this demos coming in the URL. After FA, after your pod number, this extension will not come. Remove this. And also at the end, it won't come as oracledemos.com. It will come as oraclecloud.com team. So in the real time, okay, whenever you working, the instance will be like this team. You won't have the instance coming with the naming conventions like this at the end or in between. SAS FA demo 1 Oracle demos.com. No, but our training environments will have the extension like this. But when you working in the real time, the application will come like this. At the end, oraclecloud.com, you will see. Kumar, what is this in the instance? This is pod number. What is this DSFA? See, Oracle having their servers across the world. Okay, their data centers team, servers and data centers. So recently in Vizag, we are getting a data center by Google, right? Like that, every corporate giants will have their data centers across the world. Oracle is having their data center and servers in US, in North America, and in Mexico. Then in Europe region, in Russia, they have Europe, they have in Asia, they have it in Malaysia, Singapore, in Middle East, they have in Dubai, like that. So where that client application is hosting. Generally, client is not taking the headache here. They are paying the fee, Oracle providing the application, they're directly using it in their day-to-day life. But this application will be hosted backend in some servers team. That is by Oracle in the real time. So this code will be the server code in which server this application is hosted. So for so Malaysia server they have one code. For Singapore servers they have one code. For Dubai server they have one code. So that codes are the server codes. But that is nothing to know for us. Just for your information, out of the box I'm sharing this thing. You just focus on the pod number. This is generally the server where they're hosting the application will give us the information team. So in real time, the environment looks like this team. But in our training environments, you will see the extensions coming as demos.com. But as I told you, as part of this training program, we will be providing you both the environments team. Demo environments you will get, and also the stable private server also you will get. So access we have not shared so far. Today you will be getting. So you can find out the difference in that as well team. Now within this, we have few more extensions to discuss, but that will be too early. Means what team? We have different types of environments in the real time whenever you are working in the client project, like production environment, development environment, test environment, QA environment, like that. During that time, in the instance, we have some extensions team. If it is a dev environment, ESLL dev, or pod number slash dev. If it is a test environment, pod number slash test. Like that, we have extensions, but that is too early to understand now. Once we get into the training, once we go to the real-time project implementation workshops team, here I'm going to explain you what are the different types of environments we have. Development means what, test means what, production means what. That we will see at later point. That will be too early to understand for yourself also. We'll take up that next thing. Even if anyone want to get that, recently last week only in our YouTube channel, one video I uploaded. If you want, you can refer that. But as part of our training also, we are going to see in the coming days. At this moment, in day 2, I want everyone to be with me with these basic understanding. So how the Fusion application will be delivered when any company buy the product from Oracle in real world, and and what are the different names that we can call the Fusion application, client to client, how the pod number will be unique in the real time. So till this extent, I want everyone to be clear team. Okay. Now, as I introduce it to you, when you try to log in into the Fusion system, when you keep your instance in the search, this is the main sign in page you will be landing upon team. So here you have your username and password coming. So today, after the session, we will be sharing you the instance access as well for exploring. So the user account and password we will be providing. You can explore the application as well, team. So in order to access the system, the username and password is required. So once you give that and once you click on sign in, you will be able to enter into the system. Like every other application in the market team, if you want to uh, click, I mean, for example, whenever you're trying to log in, you forgot your password for your account. You want to reset the password team. You can go to forgot password. Or if you forgot your username only, okay, then you can click on forgot password and you can able to reset that. Because whenever any user account created in the system, email ID of that person will be given team. So if you forgot your username or password, give the email details here. What is the email that been used when the account created in the system? Then choose the option. You forgot the username or you forgot the password. Give the email and submit. So system will send the password reset link to this email ID or username details to this email ID. Same like our Instagram, Facebook and all team. If you forgot your password or email, sorry, username, obviously to your registered email, system will send a notification, no? Same way in the Fusion system also, we have all that functionalities team. Username and password, forgot password, and then same need help in signing in means same button, forgot password only. Again, you have this options team. And Oracle Fusion applications are multi-language or multilingual supported applications team, because Oracle is having customers across the world in many countries. To give more regional experience to them, to give more homely experience to them, Oracle also upgraded their Fusion application with multi-language patch. If you come here, Fusion applications are available in all these languages team. For example, my client is a Korean client. So they want to use the application in the day-to-day life in Korean language team, in their own native language. You can select here. Okay. You will get that option here team. Okay, whatever that. If I select that language, the entire application language will be switched to Korean. See, everything switched to Korean team. Everything. So if I sign in also, the entire application will come in that language. So users can comfortably use in their own native languages also. Or let's say my client is from Ukraine. Then Ukrainian is there. If I select that team, they can have that application in that language coming up. So you have this kind of flexibility also in the system. Let me keep it in English. Hindi not yet supported. In the upcoming days, we can expect that also, because phenomenally in India also many companies moving to Oracle Fusion Cloud. So definitely Oracle has to bring that patch also in the system, but in upcoming releases we can expect. So once you give your name and password, username and password team, click on sign in. You will be entering into the Fusion applications team. So this is the Oracle Fusion applications look and feel team. This is the Oracle Fusion applications look and feel in the system. This is the main home screen. Good morning, HCM implementation 13. This is my username that which I use it to log in. Kumar, how these user accounts will be created and all that we are going to start from tomorrow. The very first topic as part of the training we are going to start will be this security administration only. In this, that user account creation part and all, we will be covering team. Okay. So this is about the home screen. So here we have different icons coming up. Me, procurement, my client group, help desk, product management. We have a couple of things, but these things will continue in tomorrow's session team, right? So as of now, these things were planned. In tomorrow's session, I will first initially walk through for 15 minutes about the basic home screen functionalities in the system. And then we will start with our very first topic. Any implementation you go in the real time, the very first concept or the module that you people will be working is security administration team. So what is security administration? How to configure the user accounts in the system? We'll go very systematically, team, in the sequential order. The moment you join the company, you got into the project, how you will start the project. First, what we have to get done in the system. Step by step, one after the other, we will be going. So tomorrow I will start with that. But before taking up the questions for today, let me clarify you two things. Every one of you have to get this confirmed from your end also equally. Okay. What is that? Already for the people, I mean, maximum people today in the call, we have the registrations. Okay. 100 plus registrations we have. The thing is, people enrolled till last night. Okay. 10 o'clock till our team sent portal access to every one of your team. Verify from your end whatever the email ID you given to us when you are registering. To your email ID, we sent the portal access. Means what, team? Our e-learning portal access. How to log in into the website every day, how you have to follow the recordings in the portal. This LMS portal access created and we sent over the emails to you. Please check out your spam folder also. Some people told me that the email sits in the spam folder in their Gmails. Please check out in your spam folder also whether you received the email or not. If anyone not yet received, please drop a message to the support number or the admin with whatever you are in contact with so that they will resolve the issue. This is number one. Everyone should take care from your side also. Okay. Whether you received the portal access or not. Number two, yesterday we didn't got the time because all the team engaged with the user accounts creation and all. WhatsApp community link we will share today to you. Please click on that link and join in that community team. For the enrolled participants, individual messages our team will send you today. Please join in that community of January 2026 batch. Starting from today, any communication that I am going to do, any material sharing to you, any instance passwords updation I'm going to share with you, everything will be done in that community only. So these two things by end of today. So people in midnight also paid. I mean, US people or something, midnight, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they paid. For you people, no worries. Today you will get maximum by today 6 p.m. you wait. If you still didn't receive it, the portal access email and WhatsApp link, please send a message to the admin so that they will quickly resolve your issue. These two things from your side, please take care of team. Because because of these counts and all, if we miss sending you and if you are also keeping silent, the communication between you and me will not be established. So whether you received portal access or not, added in the community or not, please check out from your end. Okay. So that you will be getting timely materials, everything to you on time in the community and also in the portal team. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll start with our security module in the system team. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people? Yes, please, Shakib or anyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, please unmute Shakib and you can
Yeah.
ask me.
Hi. Hi, I'm Sakib from Canada. So
Hi,
I have a
Shakib.
couple of questions. Hi.
Mhm.
I have a couple of questions. I actually missed the demo yesterday. I have seen the video, but I missed few
Mhm.
parts. That's why.
Yes, tell me.
So I'm new in Oracle Fusion. So,
Mhm.
and what would be the best module to focus on for me
Whatever the modules that currently we are offering as part of the training, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and from
yeah.
technical side, security, workflows, customizations, inbound and outbound. So these modules are 100% more than sufficient to start your career and continue your career also in this.
So basically, but specifically, if I
Hmm.
target payroll or core HR, there will be jobs for different modules.
Only one module, two modules is not a suggestible approach ideally. At least three modules or four modules you try to keep in the resume. The more skill set you
Okay.
have, the more demand your profile will be. Simple.
Okay. And how many days will be the class in a week?
3 months it will be that you can discuss offline. We have a number shared to you in the chat button. You can get in touch with admin. They will
Okay.
share all the details. Huh?
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Sure. Sonia, please.
So I'm joining from the US
Yeah.
and I actually have EBS knowledge background, but
Mhm.
I'm looking at the certifications right now. I don't know which
Mhm.
one to actually get because I'm seeing
Mhm.
three main certifications. I don't know which one to get. So are there any recommendations?
See, generally, core HR is what everyone will do, which is easy to handle. On top of that, try to do payroll certification because payroll module is more demanded module in the entire HCM. So along with core HR, you can plan for payroll certification in US. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. And team, our admin sharing you the registration link. If anyone had to confirm, please confirm the registration. Today will be the last day for the registrations because from tomorrow we are creating a separate WhatsApp group and meeting link. Only for them, the link will be shared strictly. So please complete the registrations today and get with the access and all. Jayant and Hassan, any
Yeah, hi
questions?
Kumar.
Hi,
Yeah, hi Kumar. This is Maharshi.
I'm
In
Harshi.
in college, I needed this is what is the which module is this place like journeys, checklist, eligibility profile. Where is which module is there?
Journeys and checklist are not part of any single module. There are separate sub-modules in the system where they will be
Mhm.
coming commonly in core HR, absence, talent in all these areas. Eligibility profile is a concept in absence, payroll, and talent modules.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah,
yeah, got it.
no worries.
Hi Kumar, Raju here.
Hi, Raju.
Yeah, see, I was working with actually with the Oracle only.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, last 3.5 years. Due to restructuring, I lost my job. I have a total 14.5 years of experience in IT.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So my package also is very high. So
Okay.
really that would help me in that way. I mean, if I
See,
wanted to go with the
obviously, you have
50
to
or
upskill
60 lakhs.
yourself to move on, right? So at this moment, these technologies are offering with high scale of packages. So 14 years of experience also, people having around 45 to 50 LPS in this domain with that kind of experiences. So whatever the
Okay.
CTC you are having, if it to be mapped with the same or more than that, definitely these Oracle technologies will be helpful to you.
Because already I'm working with OBI, OAS, OAC
Hmm.
technical side.
Yeah.
So this, if I go with the core HR or payroll, so really that would
Again,
help
no,
me.
not single modules. I'm telling you
I
because
mean, I
with
mean
your
multiple modules
experience,
also.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If I go with the
HCM, you have
multiple,
to talk HCM. Yeah, this will be
yeah,
perfectly suitable.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So if I wanted to go with the only, I mean, technical side is I'm okay.
And no,
So if
only
I wanted to,
technical, definitely
no.
companies
What
will
I am
not
asking,
consider. Yeah.
sorry to interrupt you.
Sorry,
So
sorry.
what I'm
Please go.
talking about, if I wanted to go with the uh,
Hmm.
functional side, so can I
Yeah.
complete it as 1 month or 1.5 months? Is it possible?
You can complete, but for that we have a different approach. I mean to say, after the enrollment recent completed, we will enable to you that you will discuss. I mean, you can discuss with admin
Offline.
offline. They will
Yeah.
guide you.
Actually, I came to your office last week, but
Mhm.
unfortunately, we have didn't possible.
Acha,
So
okay.
I'll connect with you
No
now.
worries, we can connect
Yeah.
with them. They will guide you. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Mr.
Thank you.
Mr.
Yeah.
Kumar, this is
Yeah. Hi.
Asin.
Hi, Hassan.
I want to know because today I'm using a different device, so tomorrow I'm going to be using a laptop.
Don't
So
worry,
do I?
inform to the team. They will
Okay.
change that device option from the back end. You can access that.
So message
Okay.
on the WhatsApp.
Yes, you message in the WhatsApp. No worries.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
There's no number for the admin shared in the chat.
We have that in the chat button. We have given, see, in the Zoom chat, you are getting the message, right? In that, we have
Yeah.
mentioned the screenshot to be shared. Those two, any numbers you can reach out. Okay. So, Kiran, so functional or technical, which will be highly paid? Techno-functional, Kiran. No technical, no functional alone. Techno-functional will pay more to you compared to any single functional area here. Okay. So that's all for today, team. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue. So as I told you, you can find out the registration link in the Zoom chat our team shared with you. Please complete the registration today, and from tomorrow we will be starting our regular classes on this respective training. Okay. Thank you everyone team. But tomorrow please join by sharp 7, 8 o'clock sharp the class will end. Okay. Thank you everyone team.